To start making an exercise, first open MuseScore. On the first pop-up menu, select Create New Score. On the next menu, you're prompted to enter in basic score information. You can leave these fields blank for now. We'll fill out some of this information later on during the upload process. After that, select the clef or instrument you want to work in. Then set up your key signature, time signature, and tempo on the following two menus. If your piece has a pickup measure, we recommend creating your pickup from the first whole measure of the score, as opposed to using MuseScore's built-in pickup feature. Lastly, click Done at the bottom right of the window, and start adding in the notes you want to include in your exercise. To create a MuseScore file from a MIDI file, right-click the MIDI file you want to notate, hover over Open With, and select MuseScore. To add a time signature, select the entire score, and then in the list of palettes on the left, go to Time Signature and select your time signature. To add a key signature, select the entire score, and then in the list of palettes on the left, go to Key Signature and select your key. Double check that all of your notes are spelled correctly according to your key. To add dynamics, press Command-E on Mac or Control-E on a PC and type your dynamic beneath the corresponding note or notes. When you're using text, use the proper text types. For example, dynamics use expression text. When creating chords, use the chord symbol button, Command-K on Mac or Control-K on PC. To change voices, click through the numbers at the top right of the toolbar. For articulations such as the closed symbol for percussion, use the Articulations palette. When preparing your files for export in MuseScore, remember to make sure you delete any unnecessary text, such as titles, subtitles, composers, and copyright information. Only leave the notes, articulations, dynamics, and information critical to playing the part correctly. Lastly, make sure your XML file, MIDI file, and backing tracks are the same number of measures. To export a MIDI file, go to File, Export, MIDI. Then export the file. To export an XML file, go to File, Export, Music XML, then select Uncompressed, and export.